Welcome back, guys. Thanks again for being a part of the team here at Not Your Father's Capital. Now, this is going to be all about Cardano. We're going to talk about what's going on. We're going to look at a little bit of the price action as we enter the July 4th weekend and it exited. We're going to look into Cardano and see why we have seen some exciting price action coming down within Cardano. And I'm going to share with you guys my thoughts moving forward and a little bit on those lines of where Cardano is headed. So if you're ever new to the channel, please absolutely consider subscribing as well as smashing that like button. It does help the channel grow and get this content out to others. And also, if you're new, please follow us on Twitter. The handle is in the bottom left. It will keep you up to date with what's going on in the crypto space. All right, but now what I want to share with you guys is Cardano has been bouncing back and forth, testing the support and resistance levels, and it basically has been doing that over and over and over again. And I know a lot of people that have been making moves, swing trades, if you will, because they are very confident in the longevity of Cardano and just kind of the staleness within the market, kind of just betting on Cardano, not going too low, not going too high, and making money in the middle, right? So what I want to share with you, though, is kind of where Cardano is at right now and what it will do, because now at this 30 cents level, this is where Cardano has been tested with resistance time and time again, all right? But guys, let me preface this video by saying not financial advice, so please do your own homework and research with all things crypto and financial. But let's get down into it, guys. So this is basically what we've seen as a lot of people have been aggressively accumulating back at that 25 cents level. And I've talked to you guys in the comments down below over and over again. You guys are just saying this is where I'm buying Cardano. And, you know, with all respect, that is something that I've been doing as well. I've been basically buying Cardano as high as $3 and as low as 20-some cents. And that is where you can really use tools such as dollar cost averaging to really leverage and kind of hone in on your position and establish that position where you are basically diversified within a single crypto, right? And that's kind of how I've been doing it. I've really grown my bag. Cardano is probably one of my largest holdings. And now we've seen essentially Cardano being on clearance down here at these levels that you can see down below where they have reached as low as 25 cents. Just absolutely crazy just to think where Cardano was at. We all know the FUD that's surrounding Hoskinson, but that 30 cents barrier has kind of been that psychological stranglehold that Cardano has been dealing with. And you can see it right here evident with this long purple line, right? So Cardano breaking down right here, that is solely due to what we've seen with the SEC naming Cardano in the allegation against that crypto, okay? But getting past this 30 cents, in my opinion, is something where a lot of the bulls are entering back into Cardano. A lot of players are trying to get, as I said, within this range. Like, look at this support and resistance line, guys. When you see what Cardano has been doing, it has really not bridged below. And that's kind of where, if you look out and you zoom more on a longer-term axis, you can see kind of Cardano over the past is not really, if you look zooming out, it's not really slowly declining. It's just been bouncing back and forth, right? And that's kind of where you can see right here on this chart that it is just solely, for the most part, just staying within that 25 to 30 cents range. It's at the bottom of the screen, so I apologize if you can't see it fully, but it's basically at the bottom, right? And if you look back, even pre-bull run, predating that 2021 bull run where we saw this huge, crazy, just absolute absurd run that we've seen with Cardano, with the rest of crypto, we are still above that pre-level, right? So adoption has grown. Cardano has developed, right? The ecosystem, the evolution within Cardano and their development has grown. And we are still above the predated bull run start right here at around 32 cents, 30 cents. So back at those levels, okay? And that's kind of where we've seen, all right? And a lot of people basically are betting on Cardano. I think this is something where if you believe long-term in Cardano, the FUD coming out with the SEC lawsuit provides a very valuable discount if you're looking to play the 10-year, the 20-year game within Cardano. So that's what I got for you guys in this video. Please, if you're new to the channel, absolutely consider subscribing, smash that like button, and let me know down below what your guys' thoughts are at these levels for Cardano, that 30 cents resistance, that psychological barrier, if you will, and how important it would be for Cardano to get through it. I want to know down below, but thanks again, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks, guys.